Hello, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this white outline around your images. You can do this with images, it could be of anything to do with your business, it could be a photo of you, anything that is an image you can add this white line around which you can change the colours of. So I'm just going to show you quickly how we do this today. Okay, so I'm going to add a new page to my design and I'm going to start from scratch. So first of all, we need a photo. I'm going to use the same photo again, but you can use your own and use the upload tab to upload it to your Canva account. So we add the photo to our design, we need to remove the background. If you've got Canva Pro, you can use the background remover tool. If you don't have Pro, you can use a website called remove.bg and it will remove the background for you. So we've removed the background. I'm just going to increase the size of our man and I want to change the background color so we can see the white line. So I'm going to go for this nice color. We click back onto our man and over to edit image. And there's a shadows feature in Canva. If you don't have this, you should see this at the top. Click on it, click connect, and it will then connect the feature of shadows to your Canva account. So I've clicked shadows and now I want glow. Selected glow, I'll click it again. Just need to edit these features here. So transparency, 100. Blur, 0. You can begin to see it coming. I'm going to change the color to white and then all I need to do is increase or decrease the size to get my line, and it is as simple as that. So quick run through, we add our image, we remove the background, we change the color of the background of our design so we can see our line. We click back onto our image, go to edit image, and we choose the glow shadow. Transparency, 100%. See if we can do it. Transparency, change to 100%, blur to 0, change your color, and then you can adjust the size. And that is it. That is it for adding the lovely white line around our images. So I hope this video has been useful, and if you do this, you're more than welcome to pop it into the Canva Facebook group. So just search for @Anchor Online Designs on Facebook and you'll find the group if you're not already in it.